me about yourself.
I experienced working in a family chicken business that we were sell fresh chicken and preparing cooked chicken for street food for customers. Through this business, I developed skills in handling money, accurately managing daily sales, and providing good customer service. Also, gaining experience in food preparation and cooking, especially with chicken street food. I constantly work hard in maintaining cleanliness, efficiency, and good communication with the customers, and that every transaction is correct and just the food we serve is met to the high standard and of quality. Because of my dedication and diligence, I've learned how to manage both the cooking effectively and selling side dish in business. I believe these skills will be useful in canteens, whether as a cashier or as a cook.
What are your strengths and weaknesses?
I'm a hardworking person. When I finish school, I will help in our chicken food business to help my mom and dad. When I don't have school, I go with my dad to sell fresh chicken and other things so that my dad doesn't have to work. Also, I am also motivated person. When I woke up early and help my mom and dad with their jobs, I also accept that mistakes that I have made in my life and use them as a lesson so that it won't do it again. And I can improve even more, especially when I don't have achieved. And also, I am a risk taker. I feel like it doesn't, but I still trying to achieve it. Maybe it will work. There are still many things that I don't, so that I am continuously self-improving, because this how you learn little by little in life. My weakness are low self-esteem because sometimes I am still shy from time to time, but I do everything to get rid my shyness, and I will not show my shyness in my future job. I am a perfectionist sometimes. I don't know it is okay for me, but I want to do better. There's something missing, but I am running out of time. I am gradually getting rid my perfectionism, and finally, I have a lack of technical skills because I'm not very good in computer, but I am aiming learn this in the future, because in order to be able to use these skills, it is also important in the future.
Why do you think that you are qualified for this position or course?
I believe that I am qualified for this position because I have experience in work in our family chicken business when I help selling fresh chicken and cook street food from the customers. Through this, I learned how to handle money and manage sales, cook food properly, and give good customer service. I also a hard work and motivate person. After school, I help my parents out in our food business, and even in weekends, I assist my dad in selling. I am also willing to take risks and try new things because I want to learn and improve myself, and I contribute in the company more. I know I still have weaknesses like being shy and not very good in computer, but I am working hard to overcome them. My eagerness to willing to learn new skills and become more confident. I believe that my experience and dedication and willingness to learn make me ready and qualified for this position.
Where do you see yourself 5 years from now?
In 5 years, I see myself as a dedicating professional and integrated with valuable skills and experience. And I still thriving within the company, and I envision staying with the company, growing alongside it, and taking new challenges. By continuously expanding my knowledge and expertise, I aim to become a invaluable asset to the organization and contributing to its success. Also, I am looking forward to build a strong relationship with my colleagues, I foster a collaborative and supportive work environment.
How do you handle stress, teamwork, and challenges?
When I am under stress, I focus on staying organized and calm. I prioritize tasks and breaking a large problem into small steps and focus on what I can control. Also communicate early if deadlines might be impact so that my team can adjust together, and I found that the presentation and clear communication are the best way to manage a stressful situation. And I believe that teamwork is best when everyone feels heard and respected. I make sure that every activity listen to others, and I contribute my ideas and flexible and plans change. Also value giving and receiving constructive feedback. It also helps us to grow a team and reach our goals efficiently. When facing with challenges, I try to approach them with a problem solving mindset. I analyze the situation, consider different situation, and seek input from other if needed. I also challenge as opportunities to learn and improve. They often lead to better result in a long-term run.
What makes you stand out from other applicants?
I am stand out because I am eager to learn and adapt quickly. I take initiative, ask questions, and look for ways to improve. During group projects, I often take the lead in organizing and making sure everyone stay on track, which shows my reliability and leadership potential.
Any final message for your interviewer?
Thank you so much for considering me. I am eager to learn and grow and bring my energy and dedication to the role. I am excited about the possibility and contributing to your team and continuously to develop my skills.